Dear students, welcome to the new chapter Algebraic Expression. In this period, we shall study about what is algebraic expression, algebraic term, constant, numeral, coefficients, and like terms and unlike terms. Okay, first we shall start with what is constant. Constant is nothing but the numeral which has the constant value. For example, 5. 5 is value of 5 is 5. It never change. The value of pi is 22 by 7 approximate. That is not equal value. Equal. So pi is approximately equal to 22 by 7. So every numeral a constant value. So therefore that is called the constant. Okay. Literal. The literal which changes varies. Which changes or varies its value according to condition. For example, literal x, y, a, etc. For example, x plus y equal to 10. Then x value equal to 5. X minus 2 equal to 6. Then x value is 8. Like that, according to the condition, it takes values. So therefore, it changes its values according to the condition. So these are all called literal or variable. Okay. So now, therefore, algebra is nothing but generalization of arithmetic. If x means it can take any value. So that is nothing but generalization. If y means it takes any value, that means that is nothing but generalization. So therefore, algebra is generalization of arithmetic. Term, it is a combination of numeral and literal. For example, 5a. Here a is literal and 5 is numeral or constant. Or literal and literal. For example, xy. Here x and y are both are literal. Or more, etc. So therefore, term is a combination of numeral and literal or literal and literal or numeral, literal and literal, etc. So therefore, example 5a, xy, minus 3abc. These are the example for terms. Now algebraic terms. Before going to the algebraic term, consider this term. Consider an example for terms 3 minus 3x cube y squared z. This is a single term. So in that we can factorize this. Minus 3x cube y squared z are the factors. Again x cube can be factorized as x into x into x. Y can be factorized as y into y. So here if you want a coefficient of x, for example if you want a coefficient of x, then minus 3 is called numerical coefficient. Minus 3 is called numerical coefficient. The literal other than x. Here x cube is there. If one x left, then x squared, y squared z. X squared, y squared z is called literal coefficient. Combined these called coefficient. Minus 3 x squared y squared z is the coefficient of x. Okay. So now like terms. Group of terms having same variable and same exponent. For example 5x, 3x, 9x. Here variable is x and exponent is also 1. Similarly minus 4a, 9a. Here also variable is a and exponent is 1. So therefore these are like terms. Unlike terms, group of terms having different variable or different exponent are both. Here three types. Here 3x, 3y, 3z. Here variable are different. So therefore these are unlike terms. Here the coefficients are same, variables are same, but exponent is different. So therefore even exponent is different. These are also unlike terms. Here 3x, 3y squared, 3z cube. Here variables are different and exponent are also different. So therefore, these are also unlike terms. So unlike terms is group of terms having different variable or different exponent or both. So this is called unlike terms. So for yourself, define constant, give an example. Define variable, give an example. Define terms of algebra, give an example. In the term 2 by 5 x cube y square z, write the numeral coefficient, lateral coefficient and coefficient of y. What are the like and unlike terms? Give an example. Okay. Thank you.